Hi, I'm Andrew Wall, and I'm the Vice President of Chartered Accountants for Information Technologies. Do you, like me and anyone I've ever met, frankly, dread the notion of getting personally audited? If so, here's some really great news. I'm talking about a unique service offering that's arguably one of the greatest benefits our clients receive. It's called CA4IT'S Audit Representation Protection. And the best thing about it is that if you choose to prepay your accounting service, it's absolutely free. Now let me explain how this indispensable service works. If you've purchased or received free audit protection for a given tax year through CA4IT, and that tax year gets audited, then CA4IT will represent you all the way up until the third and final stages of appeals, at absolutely no cost to you. Why only up to the third stage? Well, those are the rules. The third stage of appeals is as far as we're allowed to go as a firm of chartered accountants. Beyond the appeal stage is the Tax Court of Canada, and to attend there, you would require a tax attorney. But there's a slim chance of ending up there, as most cases are resolved during the appeal stages, and only the most complex cases with significant tax implications actually go to the tax court. If you've never been audited, allow me to shed some light on the process. Audits can be long and drawn-out processes that can be draining both emotionally and financially. Likewise, to go through an audit without a team of advisors in your corner can be extremely costly on all levels. CA4IT has dealt with hundreds of cases and are familiar with all the typical Canada Revenue Agency's tactics and jargon that would normally stammer a layman. Without adequate representation, it's very likely that a contractor may not get a fair shake from CRA. Or even worse, I've heard stories about contractors who say something during their audit that seems harmless, but in actuality ends up costing them their entire case. With CA4IT'S Audit Representation Protection, you'll have a professional accounting firm with an impeccable record of service there by your side, making sure you get to keep every deduction you're entitled to. So that if you're ever audited, simply tell the auditor that you've hired an accountant who handles your financial matters, and we'll take care of the rest. We actually wanted to call our audit representation service Peace of Mind, but we figured that was a no-brainer. So if you want to sleep peacefully at night, knowing that should the Revenue Canada Agency ever audit you, reassess your expenses, or deem you to be a personal service corporation, you'll have a professional in your corner who will go the distance with Revenue Canada at absolutely no cost to you. If you'd like more information on our Audit Representation Protection service, feel free to contact me directly. I'm Andrew Wall, and I look forward to meeting you personally.